doing a demonstration for course 6310, assignment 6. We are team 18. Our members including Chang Li, Yanan Li, Sun Zhe Kai Yin Yu, and Junyi Zhao. So we are demonstrating this video about a streaming war system. With the current pandemic conditions, many of us have spending a significant amount of time indoors. Streaming services like Netflix, Hulu are offering and expanding their services to normal population. This project has been developed as a system that will allow users to track the different offerings from various streaming services and display usage measurements in terms of number of movies, dollars spent, etc. It has shown complicated relationship between users, streaming services who provide movies and pay-per-view to users, studios who produce movies and provide the movie to streaming services for a licensing fee, and more. So we are first using a terminal to clone our project from GitHub. By using this, and then we switch to the branch DB, and then now we have our project available. It has our project in the file. We now use ID system to open our project. We will first build the project and configure it as OpenJDK 16, Java 16. And then we will run the project. So now we are entering the admin page. We are using admin login. Same password and ID. We're seeing now several buttons and a display area. We can see the system is set in October 2020. So first we use, it was a system I used before, so it shows September. We can do this, and then, or we can set the month. So make it go back to the current time as October 2020. When we exit it, and then we log back in, we'll see the system is still set as 2020 October. So now we are demonstrating the add stream function by clicking this button. Okay, and then we exit now. and then we'll try to log in with the credential we just created. Now we're entering the streaming page. First, we saw the set date as we said before, and then the name of Hulu, the short name and the long name. And the following section is showing the revenue status and subscription fee and the licensing fee. And here we can see they offer a variety of events, and then you can click on offer movie or pay-per-view or retract existing offer. Let's try one. Offer movie and then refresh. And then now Mulan is in your offered event. If you want to retract it, same thing. Put in the info, retract movie, refresh. Now we see it's no longer in the offered event. Let's go back to the admin page. Now we tried the second Add Studio option. Add Studio. It says create Sony failed because we have previously created a Sony. Let's try something else. Studio. Okay, exit. Let's try it. Log in. So we can see here it's what we created. And let's use a pre-existing account to demonstrate it. Using Disney, where we previously created with a total licensing fee is $2,000 and current month licensing fee is $1,000. If we want to add a movie, this is what we do. We put in year, duration, and licensing fee. Add movie, and then it's showing added. And then we exit the page. Let's do it again. So now we said it is on here. Okay, let's go back to the admin page. Now we're doing add demo. So we'll do age 20 to 30 viewers between 20 to 30 years old. Number of accounts set to 180. Let's do it again. We already exited the admin page and we're now logging back in again. Oh, actually, we're using the ID and credential we just created. There we go. The number of accounts is 180, and then it is viewers aged between 20 to 30 years old. Let's use a pre-existing account to see. We have a number of account of 900 and total spending is 8640, and available offer including Milan and 30 to 30 Monaco as a pay-per-view movie. After we exit, we'll go back to the admin to show the next function, which is display stream. When we put in APV, it will display as Amazon Prime Video. The subscription fee is 10. The licensing fee is 4,300. If we want to update it, we can click the update stream button, change it, and then check again. It is now 15. Same thing here. We pull in Disney, try to display it. We can see the total licensing fee is 2,000. And we can update the event. If we try to put in invalid values, it will ask you to change it before it can update. Okay, let's go back to the main page. Let's display our viewers between 20 to 30 years old. There's a size. When we click on update demo, now the size has been updated to 280 instead of 180 before. And when we try to display events, this is all the movies we offering. Is either movie or pay-per-view, and there's the name, the year, the length of the movie, and the studio who created, and the licensing fee. When we click on display offer, there will be the short name of the streaming services, movie type, it's either movie or pay-per-view, title of the movie, year of the movie. So above it is our demonstration of the system. Our project has two highlights, including the different authorization and authentication process based on the role of the user. For example, demographics, streaming services, and studios have their own user login interface and features once logged in, to differ from the admin login. Thus, their access has been separate and managed by the system separately. The process ensures that different roles has different access to information, and the system can better control those access by distinguishing those authorization processes. The second highlight is the configuration of how user can set up their own interface. For example, they can set their own start date, and there's no limit on the number of accounts compared to the previous system setting. We also provide instructions on guiding user to input the correct format for all inboxes, such as correct format for date and numbers only for licensing fee and subscription fee. We have achieved authentication and authorization and refined the system with configurability to some extent. We also added additional functions such as update demo, update event, update stream, and retract movie, etc. Thank you so much.